Are you over 50 or 60 and your knees hurt when you walk, climb stairs, or even just get out of bed in the morning? If so, you're definitely not alone. Millions of older adults struggle with knee pain every single day. For many, it feels like it just appeared out of nowhere. One day you're fine and the next your knees feel stiff, swollen and achy. But here is the truth. Knee pain isn't just a normal part of getting older. It's your body's way of sending you a signal that something deeper is going on. And the good news is, if you understand the real cause, you can actually start to fix it naturally before it gets any worse. Knee pain often starts quietly. Maybe it's a dull ache after standing for too long, or you notice your knees making a cracking sound when you bend down. These little signs often point to inflammation and wear and tear inside the joint. That has been building up over time. So, what's really happening inside your knee? Think of it like this. You have cartilage, which is a smooth, rubbery cushion that helps your bones move easily. But as we get older, due to years of use, minor injuries, and even our diet, that cartilage starts to thin out. When it wears down, the bones can begin to rub against each other. And that's what leads to the stiffness, swelling, and that sharp, nagging pain. One of the main culprits behind this damage is chronic inflammation. Most people don't even realize this is happening inside their bodies. Now, inflammation is normally a good thing. It's your body's defense system. But when it stays active for too long, it starts to harm your joints instead of protecting them. And what keeps this inflammation going? Things like processed foods, sugar, fried snacks, and certain oils. They keep your body in a constant low-grade inflammatory state. Over time, this silent inflammation slowly breaks down cartilage, weakens the muscles around your knee, and stiffens the ligaments. That's why even small movements can suddenly feel painful or tight. But it's not just about what you eat. There's another hidden reason your knees might be hurting, and it has to do with muscle imbalance. As we age, the muscles around our knees, especially our thighs, hamstrings, and calves, can get weaker from a lack of movement. When these muscles are weak, your knee joint loses its support and proper alignment. Imagine a door with loose hinges. It squeaks, it grinds, and it wears down faster. The same thing happens to your knee when the surrounding muscles aren't holding it in perfect balance. This is exactly why regular, light exercise is so powerful. It doesn't just keep you fit, it actively protects your knees by building up their support system. Sometimes, the pain isn't even coming directly from the knee itself. Problems higher up or lower down your body can be the source. Things like tight hips, poor posture, or even having flat feet can change the way you walk, putting uneven pressure on your knees. Many older adults develop what's called misalignment pain, where one part of the body is overcompensating for another. This can make one knee hurt more than the other, or cause pain that seems to come and go. The great news is that small corrections in your posture, your footwear, and your daily habits can bring huge relief. Your lifestyle and what you eat play a massive role too. If your diet is missing key nutrients, especially things like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium, your joints aren't getting the building blocks they need to stay strong. Omega-3 salve, which you can find in salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are fantastic for reducing inflammation inside the joints. Vitamin D helps keep your bones strong and prevents the cartilage from thinning out. Many seniors are actually deficient in these nutrients, which makes their knees more vulnerable to pain and stiffness. Here's another factor that most people overlook: hydration. The cartilage in your knee is like a sponge. It's mostly made of water. When you don't drink enough fluids throughout the day, that cartilage loses its cushion-like ability. Dehydration can make your joints feel dry, rough, and achy. That's why simply staying hydrated, especially with water or herbal teas, can help your knees feel less stiff and more flexible. If your knees hurt the most when you first wake up, that's another big clue. It is a sign that your body is inflamed or has gotten stiff from being in one position all night. Gentle morning stretches or even a warm shower can work wonders. They loosen up those tight muscles and improve circulation. Movement helps pump fresh oxygen and nutrients into the joint, washing away the inflammatory waste that builds up overnight. It's one of the simplest but most effective habits you can build for long-term relief. Another key reason many people continue to suffer from knee pain is an over-reliance on quick fixes. Painkillers might give you temporary relief, but they don't solve the underlying problem. In fact, depending only on medication can actually make your joints weaker over time because you end up moving less. The real solution comes from restoring balance in your body's strengthening muscles, improving circulation, reducing inflammation, and nourishing your body with the right foods. And you can get incredible help from natural remedies. For example, turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known to fight inflammation, sometimes as effectively as certain pain medicines, but without the side effects. Ginger is another great one. It helps reduce joint stiffness and boosts blood flow. Some people find that massaging their knees with warm olive oil or mustard oil helps relax tight muscles and ease discomfort. These simple, home-based remedies support healing from within and can make a noticeable difference when you use them consistently. Believe it or not, walking is one of the best therapies for painful knees. It strengthens the muscles that support the joint, improves flexibility, and helps you maintain a healthy weight, which is another crucial factor. Every extra pound of body weight puts about 4 extra pounds of pressure on your knees. So even a small reduction in weight can dramatically reduce knee strain and pain. If walking outdoors is difficult, try gentle indoor alternatives like chair yoga, water aerobics, or simple resistance band exercises. The goal is just to stay active without overdoing it. Sleep also plays a huge role in your joint recovery. Your body does most of its healing while you rest, repairing tissues and reducing inflammation. Poor sleep can actually make pain worse because your body doesn't get enough time to restore itself. To sleep better, make sure your room is cool, dark, and quiet. You can also try putting a supportive pillow under or between your knees to relieve pressure on the joints. Most importantly, it's essential to listen to your knees. If the pain is constant, severe, or causes significant swelling and redness, please don't ignore it. It is a good idea to get it checked by a doctor to rule out more serious conditions. The earlier you find the root cause, the easier it is to treat it naturally and prevent further damage. But please remember this, knee pain is not a sign that you're just getting old or weak. It's your body asking for attention for better movement, better nourishment, and better care. Your knees have supported you through every step of your life. Now, it's time to return the favor. With small, consistent changes in your diet, hydration, exercise, and posture, you can rebuild strength and move with comfort again. So, the next time your knees ache, instead of reaching for a pill first, try drinking a glass of water, doing a few gentle stretches, or eating something anti-inflammatory like a piece of salmon or some ginger tea. These small daily steps can make a huge difference over time. You might be surprised at how much better your knees can feel and how much younger you can move. Once you give them the support they truly deserve, your knees don't have to hurt forever. With patience and the right habits, they can recover and stay strong well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Healing starts with understanding, and now that you know the real reasons behind your knee pain, it's time to take action one gentle, pain-free step at a time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, more active life. We'll see you in the next video.